Let's solve some of the questions from JNU Entrance Exam 2021 paper. So the first question talked about 10-degree channel. Now a similar question was there in DU Entrance Examination which talked about Deccan Passage connecting the South Andaman and the Little Andaman, and this is between the Andaman and the Nicobar Island. So again a very important question from Geography of India. Laterite soil, there were two different kind of questions from laterite soil, again important. So laterite soil laterite occurs principally as a cap on the summit of the basalt hills or plateau in the Deccan area. That's correct. It is a vesicular clayey rock, again correct. It has abundance of iron, 80 to 90% iron, and in the cap over Dharwad, iron is replaced by manganese oxide because there is more composition of manganese. So A, B and D are the right options for this question. The next is, which of the following language is not part of the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution? So the correct answer is Bhojpuri. Konkani, Nepali and Maithili are the right answer. You can check out the any bank currency note and you could see the list of languages written there, and that could be one of the ways you can actually attempt it, right? The next is, laterite soils are formed through intensive leaching. Very correct, because there is lot of leaching in the soil and the soil is actually infertile. So if you want to use it for the purpose of agriculture, you would have to have more fertilizers included into it. Cashew is one of the crops that grows in laterite. So statement 2 is incorrect, it's not fertile, but yes, it is formed through intense leaching activity. So 1 is correct, 2 is false. So 3 is the right option. The next is the correct river and its tributary. Now Krishna, the tributary here is Bhima River. Bhima River originates from Matheran and joins the Krishna River. Then we have Godavari River. Godavari River is one of the important rivers and Manjira is the tributary for Godavari. For Kaveri, the tributary is Simsa, and for Damodar, the tributary is Barkar. So those are the correct matches. Again an important question from Geography of India. The next is a question from contemporary topics. Which one of the following biodiversity hotspot is worst ecologically affected? The correct answer here is Indo-Burma. The area has reduced significantly. There is a loss of nearly 95% of the ecologically significant area in the Indo-Burma area, and therefore we say it is one of the worst ecologically affected areas, and there are 25 species which have now become extinct. Clear? The next is, in a food chain, the pyramid starts with a tree. On the top of the tree there are parasites, and then there are numerous hyperparasites. So that means this is a shape which is inverted. Less number in the bottom and more number as you move up. So inverted would be the right option. The question here talks about the numbers, right? And therefore we focus on the pyramid of number in the food chain. The next is, as the river flows, it banks during flood. It drops much of the coarse loads immediately, forming the landform which is known as natural levees. So as the river flows, on both sides you have the depositions that occur, as you can see in this picture. So these depositions occur, and these are what are known as natural levees. So levees deposition is important. Coriolis force is minimum at the equator and maximum at poles. We have covered Coriolis in separate lecture and in the complete video course on doorstep, where we have talked about the CUET PG. So now JNU entrance would be part of your CUET PG entrance. So there we have covered this topic extensively, so just refer that. Now this is a question from basics of statistics. Mean of 4 numbers is this. What is the value of x? So 120 plus 130 plus 140 plus x divided by 4 is equal to 272.5. That means 253 390 plus x is equal to 4 into 272.5, which is 1090. So x is equal to 1090 minus 390, that gives me 700. 700 becomes the right option. Now, which of these Indian satellite series is a geostationary? INSAT is a geostationary. We have covered geostationary, sun synchronous satellites, as the polar satellites separately. So, an important topic, INSAT is the largest domestic communication satellite network of India, and INSAT is the right answer. What is buffer? In GIS, buffer is the area which is enclosed within the specific distance from either a line, a area, or a point. So if it is a point, this is the buffer. If it is a line, this is the buffer. If it is an area, then this is the buffer. So enclosed area within a specific distance from a line, point, or a polygon is what is known as buffer, and buffer is commonly used in GIS. We use this in the study of digital elevation models and more when we are talking about GIS studies. So very fundamentals of GIS, remote sensing, statistics, geography of India, world geography being part of the question paper. Again, contemporary questions were there, as we had the question from Indo-Burma ecological hotspot area. So similar kind of questions must be well acquainted with. So practice more on the link below. Wish you very good luck for your upcoming examination. Have a wonderful day ahead.